only 3 qualification matches remaining here at Riot. Let's see what our teams are up to in autonomous. Down on our red side of the field, we have Team 272 going up and on to that charge station as Team 3314 placed a cube down in the hybrid build. As our drivers step forward to take those controls, Team 1403 placing that cone onto that high node. With Team 1391, the metal who's looking to do the same, and they do. Down on our right side of the field, Team 272 placing that cone onto that high node on the outside. That is just hanging on to a team that's able to hold for the remainder of the match as Team 3314 shoots that cube up into that high node on the co-op section of the grid. And we have Team 7414 of our Red Alliance completing a length in the hybrid node. Down towards our blue line side of the field, Team 1391, that's the metal moose, places that cube up into the high node, completing that length for our blue alliance. As you see, Team 484, that's Robotics working with our field team to get that robot back up and running. Let's see if they're able to do that before the end of our match. On our right side of the field, Team 3314 places that last A piece to finish the entire high row for our Red Alliance, as it looks like our Blue Alliance has 2 of those high row nodes completed. On the blue side of the field, Team 1403, that's Robotics, with that cone in their grasp, looking to place it on that middle node of the outer grid, and it does fall on. With just about 45 seconds remaining, we see Team 3314 playing a little bit of defense on the way back to their feeder station as Team 1391 and Metal Loose place that cube into the middle node of that grid. Down our red side of the field, Team 272 grabs that cube off of the ground, looking to place that in their grid. Looks like they're going to drop that into the hybrid node as Team 3314 is already balanced on that charge station with 272. 7414, it looks like they're trying to park inside that grid as well, as we see one last game being hoisted by the Metal Moose on our blue side. With 10 seconds left, we have 2 robots engaged on each side of the field, and that will be how we end the qualification match number 27.